Hello, good day, people. Today we have another new module. It's brand new. It's called Impact Management, Tactics and Practices. Please, before we begin, I request you to subscribe to this channel and allow all notifications. The subscription button is on your screen at the bottom right. After that, we shall dive into the first unit. Develop your theory of change and strategic evidence plan. So this unit has 3 learning objectives. Please, I encourage you to read through the learning objectives. And before you start, some instructions I give you. In order for you to do this module, you need to have done Impact Management Quick Outlook. I've shared that in my previous video. Please look out for the playlist. You'll find this video, or subscribe to the channel so that you can get notifications on all Trailhead modules. So we have a plan for impact. So we encourage you to read through the notes. We have animations, we have videos. Read through all this so that you get the best out of this. And at the end of it, you'll be tasked to do a quiz. Which section of a strategic evidence plan connects the things you do with the impact you plan to achieve? Assumptions, learning agenda, strategic evidence plan, and then logic module. The right answer here is D. True or false? Developing a strategic evidence plan is when you should set rich goals and not concern yourself with practically of each step. This is false. At the end of it, I'll check my quiz. And then move on to the next one. I get 100 points for that. This one has 3 learning objectives. Please read through the learning objectives. Read through the notes. We have some pictures. They help you visualize and then get the concept clearly. I encourage you to read all these notes until the end. And at the end of it, you'll be tasked to do a quiz. Which type of indicator measures the number of people served by a program? Quantitative, qualitative, breadth, D and E is a combination. So A is correct, quantitative, and C is also correct, breadth. So I'll take D as my answer. How can you make sure you are respectful of your participants when collecting data? Collect only quantitative data. Make sure each indicator is assigned to a team member responsible for its collection. Explain why you are collecting the data and how you're going to use it. Collect the same indicator infrequently. So the right answer here is C. Explain why you're collecting the data and how you're going to use it. I'll check my quiz and get it right. Moving on. We have access key skills for impact management. This one has only 2 learning objectives. Please read through the learning objectives. We have diagrams to help you get the concept very well and clearly. So the notes are long, but I encourage you to read the notes until the end of it. You'll be tasked to do a quiz. Which skills involve us aligning impact and resources for cost effectiveness? Impact as a core to strategy, continuous evidence building, integrated financial management, and then participant-centered program management. The right answer here is C. Your organization makes every decision with a goal of improving outcome from staffing of choosing technology. Which skill are you practicing well? So here we have impact as a core. Impact as a core strategy, continuous evidence building, participant-centered program management, and then evidence-based decision making. The right answer here is A. I'll check my quiz and get it right. Moving on. The 4th unit is having 2 learning objectives. Please read through the learning objectives. We have notes. I encourage you to read the notes, all the notes, until you are tasked to do a quiz. Which element of continuous evidence building focuses on how program changes can influence results for the people or communities as organizations serves? A, performance monitoring, program improvement, impact measurement, and then data interpretation. The right answer here is B. How can the impact management practice improve on organizations' communications and marketing? By achieving legislative and regulatory change, by providing better proofreading of all messaging, by telling better stories about how programs help communities through evidence, by identifying strategic program partners. The right answer here is C, by telling better stories about how programs help communities through evidence. I'll check my quiz and get it right. Moving on to the last unit for this module, is evaluate your impact. It has two learning objectives. Please read through the learning objectives. Please read the notes. We have pictures. We have a table. Read all the notes, please, so that you get the best out of this. And at the end of it, you'll be tasked to do a quiz. Which quasi-experimental analysis method is the simplest to perform? So a great place to start if your organization is new to evaluation. A, pre-post analysis, time series analysis, matching analysis, and in comparative interrupted time series analysis. The right answer here is A. Imagine you complete a program evaluation and the data indicates your outcome aren't as positive as you anticipated. You focus only on the positive data because you believe that the program doesn't need to change. Which bias are you demonstrating? Survivorship bias, data problem, confirmation bias, or framing effect? C is the right answer, confirmation bias. I'll check my quiz and get it right. Thank you so much. Please stay tuned to watch free trial modules on Salesforce. Until then, bye-bye.